These are the trees that are supposed to be bushes. I'm gonna start down on this end. I'm gonna start down on this end and chop this tree way down, and it's gonna become a bush. Like, it's in the power lines, that can't be good. And then I'm gonna trim those down, but I'm probably not gonna butcher them like I'm doing this last one. So here I go. And I don't know if you can hear me, but there's cars. And they might think I'm crazy. But here's my weapons of choice. I'm gonna saw down the big ones, and I'm gonna chop the little ones. And I've already trimmed the bottom of this one, and apparently that was wrong, and I fucked it up. So now I have to trim the top to balance it off. That's why this one's going to be shorter than the rest. Here's my damage. You can tell I couldn't quite reach the top on some of them. So they all need to be topped about 6 feet down. That's about how I could reach. But the bottom is getting sun. I don't know if you can see that on the video. These are all the leaves that I trimmed. That's a lot. Doug's gonna help me bring it to the front. Our trees are naked. They're actually bushes, so I guess it's a good thing. That's a tree. These are all bushes. I trimmed all those, and I'm gonna leave those just so we can have a little bit of foliage in our yard. But I need to get some chainsaw or something to get those because those stalks are really thick. That's it.